Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mahfud Zamzami from State Islamic University Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta, Department Informatic Engineering. Today, I want to present our research with Mrs. Neni Anggani MT and Dr. Imam Marzuki Sofi. This research is about motorcycle secondary authentication system using Arduino-based HE05 and SIM800L module. First, I would like to tell you why we take research about this system. Every year, the number of motorbikes circulating in the community continues to grow. Judging from the sales data released by the Indonesian Motorcycle Industry Association or IC, in 2018, motorcycles sold in Indonesia total over 6 million units. This shows that motorbikes are still the transportation of choice for residents in Indonesia. Based on the results of survey conducted by researchers, out of 100 people surveyed, 73 of them have experienced losing their vehicle keys. There are three solutions that are mostly done by people who lost their vehicle keys. First, the owner takes his vehicle to duplicate key service to make a key that is suitable for his vehicle. The second solution, the owner takes his vehicle to a garage to replace the said key. The third solution, the vehicle owner takes the spare key provided by the seller when purchasing a vehicle. There has been previous research related to system implemented on motorcycle. First is research by Tom Beng in 2019 about implementation of wireless XP authentication system on motorcycle. On those research using RFID implemented on motorcycle, but this research doesn't have any interfaces and can give user a notification. Second research is by Rahmadi in 2019 about design of motorcycle security system using FSR or force sensitive resistor sensor, Arduino Uno microcontroller, and SIM800L module. This research using force sensitive resistor sensor and SIM800L implemented in motorcycle, but it still don't have interfaces, but can give user a notification. The third research is by Mut Humari in 2018 about Arduino-based auto door unlock control system by Android mobile through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Technology used in this research is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi implemented in house door, but and this research has interface by Android mobile application, but don't have notification to the user. Based on this, we develop secondary authentication features on motorcycle adapting from previous research. On this research, that system we developed is using Bluetooth and SIM800L module for communicate with motorcycle via Android smartphone to give an order to turn the motorcycle electricity on or off if you lose the key. And if this order runs successfully, it will send you notification through your smartphone. Uh, Third module used in the system is first Arduino is an open source physically computing media where Arduino has simple input output that can be controlled using programming language. Arduino can be connected to the device like a computer. The programming language used in Arduino is C programming language that has been simplified with features in the library. Second module used in this research is Bluetooth HC05 is Bluetooth serial protocol module that is easy to use for wireless serial connection that convert serial port to Bluetooth. And the last SIM 800L module already has quad bond feature. Another factor which is the reason for the use SIM 800L on this system is consideration in terms of size. This module has a small size so can put in the small packaging for the system. Methodology used in this research is SART. SIRT is a self-rating technique which elicits the subjective opinion on how aware a person was during test performance. The reason that SIRT measures different components in the SIRT developers feel that similar to workload. The state contains an analysis of functional requirements of the system using the SIRT method. Situational awareness is knowledge relevant to the task being performed. It is a critical component of decision making and has been included in several models of decision making. SA has three levels. Level 1, perception of the element in the environment. Level 2, comprehension of a current situation. And level 3, projection of the future status. Level 1, data flow diagram in SRT. Of the secondary authentication system, data processing in the system is divided into two according the source of data entry. In the input system, of each input data will go through several processes to finally produce an output in the form of relay status. The first is flow from module Bluetooth HC05 password verification process. Used to verify the password sent. If it is not appropriate, the data reading process is not performed. Conversely, if it appropriate, data will be sent to the next process and the controller activate the command reading process. Then the Bluetooth command reading process is used to read data space from the previous process to find out the purpose of the user. Data in the form of turn on or turn off command, which will then be translated in the form of control command to change the status of relay. The relay command process is used to change the incoming control command into data that can be recognized by the relay. The on command will change the relay status to low, while the turn off command will change the relay status to high. That is the flow from Bluetooth process. The second is flow from SIM 800L phone number verification process. Used to verify the telephone number sent. If it does not match what has been registered, then the data reading process is not carried out. Conversely, if appropriate, data will be sent to the next process and the controller activates the command reading process. The process of reading SMS command is used to read data passes passed from the previous process to find out the purpose of the user. Data in the form of lock or unlock command, which will be translated in the form of a control command to change the relay status. The relay command process is used to change the incoming control command into data can be recognized by the relay. The lock command will change the relay position to low, while the unlock command will change the relay position to high. Schematic Arduino with HC05. The relationship between HC05 and Arduino module is accordant with figure 5 at the SIRT context diagram at the analysis stage. The HC05 module is described as a Bluetooth module in the context diagram. The module will send data in the form of BT underscore MSG or Bluetooth message to the microcontroller. In the application of data is sent to the TXT HC05 pin to pin number 11 on Arduino. Second, schematic Arduino with SIM800L. The relationship between SIM800L and the Arduino modules is in accordance the SIRT context diagram at the analysis stage. The SIM800L module is described as GSM module in the context diagram. The module will send SMS data to the microcontroller. The last one is a schematic Arduino with relay to channel. The relationship between relay to channel and Arduino is accordance with figure 5, the SIT context diagram at the analysis stage. Implementation of this research. Test the authentication success rate using the distance parameter on Bluetooth. This trial was conducted on the key loss control feature, which this feature utilized Bluetooth connectivity as mean of communication. the distance variable will continue to increase until the test result data is deemed sufficient by the researchers or to do the analysis or until the connection between devices can not longer to be connected. In this test, divided into two scenarios, namely with barrier and without a barrier. This scenario intends to test whether the condition of motorcycle when it is parked in the crowded parking lot can affect the propagation of Bluetooth signal due to being blocked by another motorcycle. And then the result of tests. There are three graphs. The first graph on the left, both Bluetooth authentication success rate. These were carried out into condition. The trial was conducted 10 times at different distances. It appears that the success rate decreased with increasing distance until finally at a distance of more than 5 meters, the success rate becomes zero. Then the second graph in the middle, effect of distance against Bluetooth response time. This shows you, based on testing that researchers do, the Bluetooth connection distance doesn't really affect the system response time, whether in a turn on or turn off command. Then the third graph is SMS authentication process time. The third graph shows you SMS authentication processing time in 10 attempts. The result processing time was around 250 milliseconds for both orders, lock and unlock. This is the result from this research. First, the secondary authentication system on a motorcycle can be made using an Arduino-based HE05 and SIM800L module. The modification of the motorcycle electricity was successfully carried out on the motorcycle ignition in series and parallel at the same time, so that it can overcome the problem of lost keys that occur in the owner of motorcycle and can secure the motorbike when a key is lost. Second result is the maximum distance of Bluetooth connection obtained by the system is 5 meters, which results are better than previous studies that use RFID as the authentication object. Third result is the average Bluetooth authentication response time obtained was 344 milliseconds. The average SMS authentication process time was 249 milliseconds, and the suitability of the function was 100%. Suggestion for this research is the system created doesn't have independent resources, so that it burden the motorcycle batteries. Then the system doesn't yet have a motorcycle location information feature to the emergency lock function. This is the reference used in this research. Thank you so much for your attention.